Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on August 6th, 2025. So, just yesterday. This paper introduces a new benchmark for autonomous agents, where the results are pretty stark. On their new dataset, no agent they tested managed a task success rate above 10%, or a completion rate above 30%. The paper is titled VeriGUI, Verifiable Long-Chain GUI Dataset, which really highlights the huge gap between current agent capabilities and what's needed for complex, real-world tasks. It's all about pushing agents to handle long sequences of actions, with a novel focus on verifying each subtask along the way. Also, the authors shared their work on GitHub. If you check it out, you'll find the full VeriGUI dataset, along with evaluation scripts, and even some example agents to help you get started. It's all there for you to experiment with. Alright, so this figure gives us a fantastic overview of how the dataset is structured, which helps explain why it's so challenging. On the left, you can see the two key features, long chain complexity and subtask level verifiability. The middle section then lays out an example task, broken into smaller, verifiable goals. And on the right, it visualizes the task flow, showing how each subtask can be a valid starting point for an agent, which is a key part of the design. This table then really puts the contribution into perspective, comparing VeriGUI to a host of existing benchmarks. And the key difference is stark. Look at the number of steps. Most datasets are in the single or low double digits, but VeriGUI, at the very bottom, averages over 200 steps per task. This just hammers home the long chain complexity they're targeting. Also notice its verifiability is at the subtask level, unlike most others which just check the final outcome. Building on that, this next figure shows us the sheer variety of tasks included in the dataset. You can see it's split into two main areas, web tasks and desktop tasks. The web tasks involve deep research, like identifying a specific sunken warship or analyzing financial data. Then on the desktop side, you have tasks involving office software, system utilities, and professional tools. These examples really illustrate the kind of complex, multi-step workflows that agents are expected to navigate, moving far beyond simple commands. Moving to the results, this table lays out the performance of different agents on the VeriGUI benchmark. And the main takeaway is just how challenging these tasks are. If you look at the average column on the right, you'll see no agent gets a success rate over 10%. Because the tasks are so hard, the authors also use a completion rate, which measures partial success, and even that struggles to break 30%. The best results come from the deep research agents at the top, but their scores still show there's a long way to go. So to wrap things up, VeriGUI really establishes a crucial benchmark for these long horizon tasks, and the results show just how far we have to go. Still, it's a huge step toward building more capable, generalist agents.